Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to clear cache laptop Windows 11. In the search box, enter disk. Open Disk Cleanup. You must choose the drive in the pop-up window. Wait for it to load. Now click on the option Clean Up System Files. Wait for the loading to complete. After that, check the desired checkboxes, including the cache checkboxes. Click on OK, and in the pop-up window, click on Delete Files. You can watch the cache deletion process. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.